How to view Gemini Credit Card transactions. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the Cards section from the bottom bar. Here you will see your Gemini Credit Card details including your current balance, available credit and rewards. To view your transactions, tap on the Transactions section. In this section, you can see a detailed list of all purchases, payments and rewards earned with your Gemini Credit Card. Each entry shows the date, merchant, amount and the transaction type. You can tap on individual transactions to see more details or filter the list by date or category for easier tracking. This helps you monitor your spending, check for any authorized transactions and keep track of your crypto rewards. Now you know how to view Gemini Credit Card transactions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.